Hello friends, I was so happy to see that in Mauritius we have a production of coconut oil, and it is a real coconut oil which made in Mauritius by Mauritian lady, and I'm so happy to see that. And actually, as you know, coconut oil, it is very healthy, it is very useful for health, and it is also healthy to cook on coconut oil. Maybe we don't have that habits yet, but actually everywhere around the world people is using coconut oil for cooking. And now I wanted to ask few words with the owner, with the magic lady who decided to produce coconut oil by herself from coconuts in Mauritius. Her name is Yasmin. Hello Mme Yasmin, it's so nice to see you. Congratulating you for being so brave business lady who decided by herself create out of coconuts, out of Mauritian coconuts, you creating such a healthy product like coconut oil. I just wanted to have a few words with you. So how you decided, how it started, and if we want to be sure that we can use this coconut oil for cooking. It's a pure coconut oil.
This is pure coconut oil. My little home business was launched 5 years back because I was working in a small company, and I always wanted to do a side business, a little side business. And then I always wanted for my hair. I know coconut oil is very good for hair. And then I know that everywhere these other mix, they are fake
it's
coconut,
not pure.
So one day I decided to do my own coconut oil, and it all happened that I do it. I was selling with my colleagues at work.
Oh,
yes, and then this is how it started. And then I make a lot of research on coconut oil. Then I came to know that people are cooking with this.
Yeah, exactly.
And very healthy, for slimming and health. There are so many health benefits.
So many health benefits in coconut oil, and it is one of the safest oil on the planet to cook on. It is a very.
It is known as miracle oil.
It is curing so many internal diseases and all. Just the problem, we are not used to it and we don't know.
People in Mauritius are not aware.
Not yet aware. So I'm trying to spread awareness, and I'm so glad.
Very good.
And I am so happy to see that you are like encouraging people to be healthy and using local health.
Yes, pure coconut oil. Because all coconut oil here in Mauritius are imported from outside, and they are all adulterated products. Mixed with
Yeah, so because we are having a real person in front of us, we can ask her directly how we can be 100% confident that it is coconut oil.
My coconut oil is tested by the Mauritius Standard Bureau.
Okay.
That's a local authority, and it is tested pure coconut. No mixing, no additives, and smells so good, divinely good.
So you are making it from natural coconut directly. It is just the cold pressed coconut oil, and which is coming directly in the bottle, and then we are having it at our table. And you can talk about other products which you have here for health.
Yes, I've got this hair oil. I do it. This is an Ayurvedic hair oil, intensive. There is so many potent oil in this. A mix of potent oil and then a mix of herbs. All these ingredients in this, like amla, like olive oil, pure black seed oil, pure mustard oil that I do myself cold pressed.
Wow.
And then methi, hibiscus, everything that is to promote hair growth. Promote hair growth, stop hair loss.
And you can talk about this product.
This is pure black seed oil. This is the first one ever made in Mauritius. And black seed oil, as all we know, import the seed here and we press here. This
Press
is
by
ever
yourself.
made in Mauritius, and it boosts your immune system.
Yeah, there is a lot of health benefits.
Lot. He said that black seeds all heal everything except death. But this is the pure one that you must have.
Wow. So all your products are available for delivery in Mauritius. If people will contact you, I can leave your phone number in this video. If people will contact you, they can even have a delivery home.
Yes, home delivery by post also I do.
Okay.
And then we do free delivery in specific places.
Some parts
Just
of
have to
Mauritius.
contact me on my Facebook page. Mujil Real Pure Virgin Coconut Oil. I've got over 15,000 fans on my page. Yes. Encourage local business.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yes. And I've got also this one. Here, this is cocoa serum. This is a cocoa serum for hair and skin. I've got pure cold pressed. There is cold pressed coconut oil, pure almond oil in this. Pure cold pressed almond oil in this. Jojoba oil and vitamin E. Very good for hair and also for skin.
You already have feedbacks of your clients
Yes,
who's
so
using that.
many reviews I've got on my page.
Okay, so
Yes,
nice.
Yes,
So
many
people can go on the page on Facebook and themselves they can see.
And then this is my unique product. This is my coffee
Scrub.
body and face coffee scrub.
Wow.
Made of their coffee, lemon. There's
Amazing.
Yes. So many ingredients in this coffee scrub.
So nice. Thank you so much, Mme Yasmin, for
Welcome.
letting us
Thank
to
you
know
so much.
more about your product.
Yeah.
And I wish that all people understand the benefits of coconut oil. And I wish you courage to continue.
thank you.
And God bless you for
Yeah, thank
producing natural products in Mauritius with natural local coconuts. That is very important.
Very important.
Because when it's coming from outside, we don't know how much it is.
Exactly.
100% pure or not.
Exactly.
Person is here in Mauritius and she is having her coconuts from local farms and she's also supporting local farmers.
Supporting local farmers. We buy our coconut here in Mauritius.
And then
I'm
she
the
buys
one who breaks the coconut oil, the coconuts.
with this hand you're breaking your own coconuts. So sweet. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.